Hello there my darlings, welcome to Edwigealamode where I share all things fabulous. Today's video I'm showing you how I go from this to this. This video is beginner friendly because I consider myself as a beginner when it comes to hair, but I've definitely learned to perfect my style in my own way over the years, and I'm really excited to show you this new hair from Wiggins Hair. This is my first time to work with them and I'm really excited to test out the quality and how I will get on with trying out this new wig with them. This is the wig. This is a HD lace frontal wig in body wave. I have mine in 24 inches. It's a 5x5 HD, and what we have here is 180 density. Okay, and the lace has been pre-plucked and it has been dyed also, so that I don't have to do too much. This is a glueless wig, but I always like to glue my hair at the edges here, just because especially I want to wear this for at least a good week so that I can, you know, create content and stuff like that, because I don't think I'm gonna leave any baby hairs with this one. I just want it to be flat with no baby hairs. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how easy this is. The hair feels really good and bouncy. I like that it's 24 inches. I'm 5'3", so I know that this will look even longer on me. I'm going to apply the glue along where I have a mirror on this side. As if I look here, it's because my mirror is there. I'm gonna use this glue across my hairline. This is gonna give me a guide to how to cut this. I haven't done this method in a long time. I will go ahead with the Goddess Bronzer by Instylebyed. The color looks like so. It's more on the red side. I think a cream bronzer would be good, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna tap this. Like, I'm gonna get loads of product, and what this is gonna do is make this brown. I mean, this doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be under the wig anyway. Like I said, I am a beginner, so don't judge me. So for the wig application, all I need to do is cut the lace. So the wig is here. We have clips inside. I believe there's 3 clips, 2 on each side, 1 at the back, and we have a band. This is going to ensure that your wig is secure. Mine is in a medium size. Oh, that looks so good. What? That looks so nice. Like I said, you see how well this has laid compared to how it would if I didn't cut the lace inside and colored it. Like, what lace, babe? What lace? This is what it's going to look like once it's glued on. I tried to follow the line as much as possible, but I do have a very funny hairline. My hairline is quite wonky. Okay, so the hair is now ready to be laid. I've added my glue and it's now quite tacky. When it gets tacky like this, your hair is ready. So I'm gonna start with the front of my hair by placing, oh, I think I made a mistake here. Hold on. That's it. Because I want, oops. I want this to lay. Love, love. Okay, and then here it's really, really tacky, so you need to make sure that you're laying it in the right place. I'm gonna spray some more at the front here before I add my hairband. Wig came with this hair cap, this headband. So this headband is from Wiggins Hair, and I'm going to use it so that my hair at the front can be laid properly. This is gonna add, this will add extra pressure to help lay the hair flat. I'm gonna go ahead with the Care styling stick. This is one of my favorites. I'm almost, ooh, it's literally finished now. I never style my hair without this. So before I hot comb my hair, I'm just gonna use this around the sides and the back of my hair. This is just gonna help us to get that really nice flat. This is gonna help us to get that really flat professional look. And I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb my hair, and this side I'm gonna have a brush. So I'm just gonna hot comb it down because I do want like a really nice clean look. And this is what's gonna help us to get that really clean look. If you want that salon quality styling, you need to invest in the right equipment and a hot comb. I don't know how I did my hair without it back in the day, but I could never style my hair without a hot comb. Now I need it. So let me go ahead and remove this. I'm hoping that it has laid the hair to perfection. There we are. Perfect. So this is what the wig is looking like right now, but I need to clean up this area. I think this side is actually okay. Finished look, what do we think? I love this hair and I love how I've done it, and I think moving forward I would, you know, lay my hair this way because it's so much better. I mean, just look at the lace. This looks so good. This is a 5x5 HD lace, hence why it looks perfect. I've laid it really flat because I want to keep it for the week. The hair is very beautiful, very bouncy. I didn't have to do anything to it apart from using the hot comb to flatten it down. So if you're like me, you're learning to do your hair, I hope this video was good to show you how easy it is for you to do your own hair at home. You don't have to always go to the salon to do your hair, even for like little occasions. If it's something special, then why not? But you could save yourself £200 by doing your own hair at home. I will leave all the details on the screen for special discounts. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for this partnership. I really cannot wait to work with you again. I love my hair and I hope you love it too. I'll see you guys in the next video.